welcome. This is me, JBRose, singing vegan mum. How are you all doing? Yes, this is very difficult times on so many levels. I hope you're looking after your mental health, and of course I hope you're eating well. At this time with this COVID-19 thing going everywhere, it's really important to eat healthily. That's the reason why I've got loads of fruit and veg behind me. That's how you're going to build up your immune system, build yourself up. So this is a very quick recipe, really simple recipe. My kids love my shortbread biscuits. They love it, love it, love it, love it. Just like any other kids, they don't really like eating too much healthy things. So what I always try and do is pack in the goodness wherever I can. This shortbread biscuits, I've added chia seeds. There was a little bit of a moan, but because it tasted good, it was all right. Very simple recipes. I use two types of flour, buckwheat flour and normal self-rising flour, butter, vegan butter, sugar, and of course lemon to give that lemony taste. Let me show you how I did it. But before I do that, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button right now, guys. I'll wait while you do it. You done it? Brilliant, wonderful. And don't forget to share, tell everybody about me. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it. Recipe, guys, so simple and nice and crunchy. Boys love it, but I'll have that in a minute. So I've got a question to ask you all, guys. Have you all subscribed to my IGTV? If you haven't, you're missing out. You're missing out what's going on with my dad, because I post our little adventures over there on IGTV. I'm going to give you a snip.
Everything is everything. This is great.
That's the reason why you should go to IGTV and follow me, because different things go on different platforms, you get me? And the next thing, if you follow me, did you catch this week?
Mom, can I have some sugar?
I'm doing one of my videos, come and get it. Here it is. Ah. No stress.
No more stress, more stress, more stress.
Well, we are leading up to a big moment. Actually, it's going to be in July. So you're going to be seeing lots and lots of bits and pieces coming from me. So make sure you follow me on all platforms, Twitter, Insta, Facebook, and of course YouTube, because you know what? You might miss something. So guys, taste test. Biscuits. Hold on a minute. Can't eat biscuits without a cup of tea. Woo. Delicious. Now I've had the tea, let's try the biscuit. Lovely, lemony and healthy. Just how we like it, right? So anyway, guys, I hope to see you again next time. Look out for my videos leading up to my fun event in July. Hope you have a blessed week. Don't forget to breathe. There's a lot going on. It's hardcore. Let's eat well. Let's meditate. Let's look after ourselves. For healthy vegan recipes, remember, I'm your girl. I'm your girl.